in order to make this particular truck and the other equipment that we build as friendly as possible to mechanics, we always have them in mind when we're building any of our equipment. We actually have upgraded all of our plumbing systems wherever possible to what we call a fork system. These actually are U-shaped metal forks that actually stick into join these two parts together. If I were to pull this out, this whole assembly would fall right off the bottom of this manifold. Or I pull this out, this could come out, and so forth. So we make this very easy for winterization, or if there's some maintenance that needs to be done or a part needs to be replaced. It's so much more simple to use this particular system than to work with threads. A couple of other features we have on the manifolds are these fittings that we can use to attach an air hose, and we can actually go through the entire manifold, the top one first and then the second one, and down here in the suction manifold, and we can actually blow all the water out of the hose reels and all the lines and so forth, or at least get as much water out as we possibly can. For those people in cold climates that need to winterize their truck, this actually saves you a tremendous amount of RV fluid, which means a good bit of money. So this is another feature that we use to help make it easier to maintain and to try to guarantee you, we can't guarantee, but more likely that you'll be able to do a good job of winterizing your unit. When you do that and you drop off these forks, your truck should be ready for winter.